I could feel the fight, and when it hit the top of the water and I saw that dorsal fin pop out, I was like, what? Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. Mr. Poseidon here. Okay, I'm fishing on the Hudson right now again. I came up. It's my off night tonight, so I might stay a little later. See what happens. I'm a little psyched. Like I said, I think the fish are still way upriver. I didn't decide to take a ride up there. Kind of wanted to be alone and catch no fish. So I'm here, hoping for the best. I got my Ice Mule cooler here, right? This, guys, is an excellent, I mean, I'm not advertising for these guys, right? I'm just letting you know. It's excellent backpack. They know you're going to be stuffing ice in there. There's going to be some weight on there. They got these great cushioned backs. They even have a waist which absorbs a lot of the weight that would be on your shoulders. But it's an excellent backpack. You got side pouches here, keep all my stuff, front pouches, and it keeps my bloodworms cool, keep your sandwiches cool, keeps your drinks cool. Cooler, I mentioned that. Yeah, the ice is good for a day. No, it's not. It's you keep this thing closed, it'll last in there 4 days. I'm proof of purchase where I left it in my car. 4 days later, I was like, oh, I forgot to empty out the ice. So I went to go in there, there was still ice cubes in there. I could not believe it. So this bag is official by me. It is the cooler to have. These are my bloodworms. See how these go. We got some juicy ones. There they are, guys. Those are some nice juicy worms right there. They're gonna do the trick. Nice bloodworms on the Hudson River. I'm using a circle hook inline, and that's a number 5 hook I'm using. I'm also using a Hatteras weight or a Storm weight. There's 3 ounces there. It's an excellent one. Digs into the sand, doesn't like to roll it because rivers do have a lot of current. And it holds the bottom nicely for me, at least a 3 ounce. Other than that, the bloodworms, put them on, and good luck to everybody fishing, including myself right now. Let's see what I can get. I'll get something, I'll put you guys back on the view. Fighting up a good one, boys. We got something good on right here. Oh my goodness, he's fighting, he's fighting. Yeah, boys! Yeah, boys! Holy Moses, guys. This is the biggest fish right now. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Oh, yeah. He's fighting, boys. I got something big on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, boys. Wow, he's fighting. He's fighting. He's pulling drag. Look at that. He's pulling drag. Holy cow. Look at him right there. Look at that giant striper. Oh my goodness, look! Look! He is fighting me, boys! He's pulling drag! Holy smoky bears! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, I've got him! Don't let go! There he is! Look at the giant! He's a giant! Yeah! Look at it! I lost him! I lost him! Lost him! I jumped in. I couldn't get him, boy. He got away. Oh my. Oh. Oh. I jumped in after him. I didn't get him. I lost him. Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. This is actually going to be one of those, the one that got away video, but he really did get away. I caught him on video. I got him all the way. He really did get away. I got him all the way to the shoreline. Perfect. It was all set up. I bent down. As I bent down to go grab him, it was over. The hook came off, unset itself, whatever, and I dove in a little bit, partially with my legs first, and I didn't quite get to grab the fish, guys. I went to go grab him by the gills. I never grabbed a fish by the gills, but in this instant I wanted to do it, and I missed. They were closed. My hand went right over it. He turned around. I grabbed him from the tail. And that was one instance when he whooshed around. I felt the power of his tail just go by the palm of my hands. I was like, wow. What excitement though, man. That's what fishing is all about. I missed him, guys. I missed him. I'm still down on it. I almost felt like it was at least a 30-pound fish. I never felt weight in such a fight. I mean, I thought it was a big sturgeon in the very beginning. I didn't know if it was a 10, 15-pound catfish. Thank you if you're watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. I also live stream on Sundays, 7 p.m. I got some great guests lined up in the future. The other half, or my partner, my wife, is away for a few weeks. She will be back. And once she gets back, I'll be able to run the guest portion of the live stream. It's tough to do it alone, guys, trust me. When you're running a full-fledged operation like we are, it's got to be done right, so I need that extra person there to help me out with the controls. Anyway, guys, listen, I had a wonderful time, great time fishing today. I really did. I lost that big mama, that's okay, and I'm thinking of coming back tomorrow, but right now I'm very excited to get home and possibly get some more worms. Drive out to Arts Tackle and Fly Shop, pick up some more worms. Anyway, guys, I'll be back. Thank you again for watching. Remember, subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.